Hey all, Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to show you what I did to fix my frozen Amazon Fire Stick and a few other tips. Let's get into it. If you're still able to access the home menu and use your remote, go ahead and scroll over to the settings. And in your settings menu, select My Fire TV. From this menu, you want to restart your Fire Stick. That's the easiest way to reset the device and unfreeze any frozen applications. Alternatively, if none of the other methods I'm about to show you work, you can also reset to factory defaults, which will wipe everything out and start fresh. If you don't have access to navigate the menu, you can use the remote to restart the device. Hold the center button and the play button simultaneously for 10 seconds. After a 10-second time goes by, it will reset the device. Go ahead and give it a minute or two to reboot, and then you should be up and running. If not, there's a couple other things you can do. Go ahead and pull out the TV and look behind to where the Fire Stick's actually connected. You can disconnect the Fire Stick from the television itself or the power source. Give it like a minute or two and then reconnect everything. That will also, shut it down, and then it'll allow it to have a soft reset. After that point, go ahead and try it to run it again. Another idea is to unplug your router. My router's right here at the wall. I'm just going to unplug the router, let it sit for 5 minutes, plug it back in, and then try again. That's your internet service. Could also be out. I've had that a couple times where it's not even local. My service went out. Okay, so now to prevent the freezing from happening, there's a couple things you can do to eliminate some of the problems with freezing. The Amazon Fire Stick only has like 6 megabytes of memory. So go ahead and go into the settings menu, and you'll want to manage some of the applications. So go down to your applications, highlight that. From here you can clear the cache. Most of the applications that you use take up memory. So you want to, get rid of stuff that you don't. You can see right there, I've only got about half of mine used. But for example, go over to Amazon Kids. I don't watch that. And then you can clear the cache by holding the reverse button. That'll clear it out. It'll just help with the memory stick's efficiency. Also, you can uninstall any apps you don't use, thereby making the Fire Stick run a little smoother. You can also manage the app directly from the app screen itself. Just highlight the app you don't want to use anymore, and then press the menu button on the remote, which is right over here on the right side. That'll give you options to uninstall the app. So yeah, just go ahead and clear your cache and then delete any apps you don't use to help prevent freezing. I've got links to Amazon for discount electronics down in the description. If you want to help support the channel at no extra cost to you, use my link. I really appreciate it. Any other questions or comments, put below. Thanks.